Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. Our today's topic is algebraic fraction, exercise 5.2. So let us start our class. Before starting our class, we need to know some information about your class. This is your first class for annual exam. This is your first class for annual exams. This class is very important for your annual exam. In your class, some CW and some SW. SW is very important for your annual exam because based on SW, you will be given your SBA marks, diary marks and city marks. So please do your SW very carefully and submit it regularly. So let us start our class. Our first question is, our first chapter is algebraic fractions, exercise 5.2. So the first question is multiply the expression. Here the first question is question number E. The first question is x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 divided by x square minus 2xy plus y square. Second fraction is x minus y divided by x cube plus y cube and x plus y divided by x cube plus y cube. So let us start to solve our first question. Here multiply, that means first expression multiply second expression multiply third expression. So in order to solve these fractions, we convert the numerator and denominator of each fractions must be resolved into factors. So let us start. Our first expression, numerator is x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. As x to the power 4, we write it x square whole square, and minus sign is here, we write y to the power 4 as y square whole square. Then x square minus 2xy plus y square. This is the formula of x minus y. So we write x minus y whole square. So we write this expression as x minus y whole square. Then this multiplying sign is here. After that x minus y, we cannot resolve it. For these reasons it will be here. That means x minus 1. And x cube plus y cube, we write it by the formula as x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. And next, x plus y cannot resolve it, so it remains same, that means x plus y, and we write it as formula x plus y x square minus xy plus y square. We have already learned this formula in your chapter 4. Now we write the numerator of the first fraction as, here the expression is in formula a square minus b square. So we write x square plus y square and x square minus y square divided by x minus y whole square multiply, this sign is here, x minus y, x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. We have already resolved third fraction, that means x plus y, x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Next, again we notice that there is another formula, that means a square minus b square. So we write it as x square plus y square, which is written as x plus y into x minus y. That means a square minus b square's formula divided by x minus y whole square multiplied with x minus y. Okay. Then x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Then we write it same x plus y divided by x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. My dear students, we have already resolved the three fractions into factors. Now we cut, that means x minus y and x minus y. We write this x minus y, so there is, we write it as x square plus y square and x plus y, x minus y. It is written as x minus y. It is also written as x plus y. Here x minus y, we write it x minus y, x minus y as whole square. That means we multiply these two numbers and we get x minus y whole square. And this number is also written here x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. And that is also x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. My dear students, now we cut. That means here x minus y, x minus y. Cut. Then x minus y, x minus y. Then x plus y, x plus y. Okay? X plus y and x plus y. And remain x square plus y square and x square minus xy plus y square, x square minus xy plus y square. So we write x square plus y square and x square minus xy plus y square as x square minus xy plus y square into x square minus xy plus y square is twice. So we write this as whole square, and this is the answer of the multiplication of three fractions. That means answer. My dear students, you must write answer after solving these problems. And this is question number E. I hope you have understood our question number E. Next we shall solve question number F. And now I erase question number E. Question number E is, so question number F is 1 minus b square divided by 1 plus x multiplied with 1 minus x square b in plus b square and multiplied with 1 plus 1 minus x divided by x. So first of all we resolve into factors of numerator and denominator. The first fraction is 1 minus b square divided by 1 plus x. So we resolve 1 minus b square into factors and 1 plus x remains same. That means 1 whole square minus b whole square divided by 1 plus x. Here also 1 whole square minus x whole square. Student notice b and b square. B is lowest number. For these reasons b is common and left. We know that when we take a number common, then these two numbers is divided by that number which is common. That means if we divide b by b we get 1 plus if we divide b square by this b we get b. So if we take common, we take b as common, then left 1 plus b. Okay, multiply. Now 1, we know that every number has a denominator which is 1 and the 1 and x. Now we find out this LCM of the two denominator 1 and x, and the LCM is x. So x, we divide this x by denominator 1 and we get x. x is multiplied with this one and we get x on the x plus next time x divided by x and we get 1 and 1 is multiplied with 1 minus x and it will be 1 minus x. Okay. Now here a square minus b square formula is applicable. For these reasons we write the formula of a square minus b square, that means 1 plus b into 1 minus b. So we write 1 plus b into 1 minus b and 1 plus x remain same. Next 1 minus 1 square minus x square. Here also a square minus b square formula is applicable. So we can write 1 plus x into 1 minus x divided by b into 1 plus b plus here we notice that minus x plus x. So x and x are cut and remain 1. So 1 by x. Okay. Now we multiply numerator with numerators and denominator with denominators. That means 1b, 1 minus b, 1 plus x, 1 minus x, and this one we need not write 1 plus x, b into 1 plus b into x. My dear students, now we cut 1 plus x, 1 plus x. This 1 plus x and then 1 plus x is cut. 1 plus b and 1 plus b is cut. Then left 1 minus b and 1 minus x. And as a denominator b and x is left. So we multiply these two numbers, b multiplied with x, that means bx. So 1 minus b multiply 1 minus x divided by bx and it is the answer. So you must write answer. I hope you have understood question number F. Question number F, and the answer of question number F is 1 minus b into 1 minus x divided by bx. Now we shall solve question number I, and now I erase question number F. Question number I is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y divided by a plus b whole cube multiplied with a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b divided by x square minus y square, and left x minus y whole square divided by x plus y whole square. As usual, at first we resolve into factors of numerators and denominator of each fractions. So first of all, it can be written as x cube plus y cube. Then we multiply this 3xy with x plus y. If we multiply plus 3xy with x, then we get 3x square y. And this plus multiply, we get plus, and 3xy multiplied with y, and it will be 3xy square divided by a plus b cube. Next, a cube plus b cube, same as the numerator of first fraction. So first of all, a cube plus b cube, same. Then 3ab is multiplied with a plus b, and it will be 3a square b plus 3ab square divided by x square minus y square. So in this denominator we apply a square minus b square's formula. So what is the a square minus b square's formula? The formula is a plus b into a minus b. So we write as x plus y into x minus y. Then x minus y whole square, we write it x minus y into x minus y and x plus y into x plus y. Okay. Now we write x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. If we write this x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, then a formula is applicable here. We can write this expression as x plus y whole square whole cube, x plus y whole cube. We write it x plus y whole cube. That means x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. That means x plus y whole cube. We write it a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Again, this can be written as also a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, same as the numerator of first fraction. That means a plus b whole cube divided by x plus y, x minus y multiplied with x minus y divided by x plus y, x plus y. Now we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. That's why it can be written as thrice. That means x plus y, x plus y, x plus y. And it also can be written as thrice. That means a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. And this fraction is x minus y, x minus y. And it can be written as a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. And this on x plus y, x minus y, x plus y, x plus y. Okay, now we cut a plus b and a plus b cut, a plus b and a plus b cut, a plus b and a plus b cut, x plus y and x plus y are cut, x plus y and this x plus y are cut, x plus y and this x plus y are cut, x minus y and x minus y are cut. Student, notice there is no denominator. So there is no denominator, only on denominator is 1. So we need not give on as a denominator, because we know that every number has a denominator which is 1, and as a numerator x minus y is left. So we can write x minus y. My dear students, here I have written the fourth line for your better understanding. If you want to solve in third line, you can. Okay, if you want to solve in third line, you can. For your better understand, I have written the fourth line. Okay, so this is our today's CW. That means EFI is your CW and it is done. And our SW is 14 number multiply G and H, and it is your SW. It is your SW number 1. SW number 1. You have to do your assign SW in your SW copy seriously, because based on your SW, diary mark, CT marks and SBA marks will be given, and after completing your SW you have to submit your SW in every Sunday. Okay, my dear students, today's lecture is finished. I hope you have understood our today's lectures. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.